Hi, this is attorney Michael Pariente at the Pariente Law Firm PC, John G. Watkins of counsel. I'm a criminal defense lawyer here in Las Vegas. I've been practicing law for nearly 18 years. Today I'd like to talk to you about a question that I get asked a lot from people, which is, if you're stopped for driving under the influence of alcohol, should you take a breath test or blood test? Well, that's a very complicated question, and I'm going to explain my hopefully not too complicated answer. If you take a breath test, immediately the police will know right away if you're over the .08 legal limit. And if that's the case, then they will take your license right on the spot. Now, you might be thinking, well, if I get pulled over for a DUI for alcohol, I should take a blood test. Not necessarily. Now, it does take a while for Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, and actually a shorter time for Henderson Police Department, to get your blood results because they're not available right when they take them. But the problem is, you will lose your license at some point in the future if it's over a .08. And then secondly, from a criminal standpoint, as a criminal defense practitioner with John G. Watkins for DUI defense, those are much harder cases to defend because the breath machine, the Intoxilizer 8000, is far more inaccurate. I'll give you an example. Let's say that you're told to blow into the machine. You're supposed to stop at the time that the machine stops with the tone. There's a beep that you hear, and what happens is the officer is supposed to tell you to stop blowing. Well, a lot of officers think that the machine is automatic and will stop recording your breath after the tone stops, and that's not correct. These machines are susceptible to all kinds of error, and in this case, operator error. What could happen is this. Let's say that you're blowing into the machine and you're at a .06. The tone stops, the officer tells you to continue to blow. Well, if you do, that machine is going to record you at possibly a .08. It does continue to rise, and you're going to get an inaccurate reading. So yes, you do lose your license immediately, but of course you can fight it and have a DMV hearing and sometimes win at the DMV level. Alternatively, like I said, if you take a blood test, it will be a while before they actually try to take your license, but it's a harder case to defend on the criminal side. So if you've been arrested for DUI, don't hesitate to give us a call. Come sit down with us in person, or if you're calling from out of state, give us a call. Let's talk over the phone about how we can help you.